The difficult part of myself is just understanding myself, just getting more and more at what people think about you. Just it's just normal. Right now, I'm sitting on my table in Domino's and I'm going to have my pizza. There's message that my order is ready. But let me see if that true or not. Things are really easy when you think you are getting whatever you deserve. My hair are good. My hairs are not good. Like I was wearing helmet for a long time. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to taste. Now I am going to try the pizza. Let me see how the taste of the pizza. Let's see. I'm waiting. It's very amazing to shoot yourself. You think your confidence is low and everything is right for you. Let's see. I'm just going to have the pizza and let you know the taste of the pizza. Thank you. Right now I got my order and let's see how it tastes. The taste of the pizza. This bottle is so big like marina and I will try it and see. It's too hot here. Not so good, not so bad, but it's okay. I don't know what type of plates are these. Let's take the first bite and I will let you know how is it. I think I have to take another bite and yeah, it's awesome. They are providing quality and I really appreciate it. I'm getting it and enjoying my time by having pizza. It is actually very nice. Having this thing with pizza is getting so much amazing and I'm really liking it. Taste is so good. pricing. It's just 60 rupees, but it's just too costly as compared to the normal market. If I go to the market, it is going to be only 100 meter away. I will be able to save my 40 rupees. They had written there that no videography is allowed. My confidence is really low, but after having this, I'm getting better. My stomach is got full. I will drink it in my bed. Let me close it finally. I'll see what we do. That thing about it, this dominos, they are not giving you the water to drink. We have to do that. Thank you so much.